So guys, today I'm in old Monkey Mischief, but this isn't the Monkey Mischief you know, because look, the face model is different, and thingy. This is the same video I made last time. I'm making this video because that other video about old Monkey Mischief had because I had no microphone, so I had to do it again. I might delete that other one, so yeah. Anyways, this is old Monkey Mischief, but this game is called Give and Gamble. I know it sounds funny, but there are some game modes. Now I'm gonna be doing horror because it's kind of fun, and yeah, but also scary. Also, let me put my volume down just in case. And wait, alright. Oh, a scary monkey! This is a scary monkey. Oh, juke. Oh, got juked! Oh my god. This is actually scary, bro. Like, he has such good steering. Oh my god. No! No! Oh my god. No. I just hit something. Oh my god. Scary monkey. No! Oh my god. Haha. I'm showing him the middle finger. Wait, why is the sky so bright? Oh, so if you get jump scared by him, you have to you have to restart your game. So goodbye.